you guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time you're here, you're welcome. And yeah, I know it's been like ages since I posted any video on my channel, and that was because I've been like working through some things, and I don't think where I am I could like be posting or making videos. And again, makeup videos mostly need a ring light. You need a ring light in order to do a good makeup videos, because whenever I do makeup videos I find out that the colors on the camera is different from like the colors I used on my face. So that's like that's sad. Okay, so today's video I'm doing a haul. Let's stop talking. And yeah, I went to Sarojini Nagar market in Delhi, and yeah, I've been to that market twice before and I got a lot of nice stuff. So whenever I am around here I want to like get something from that market. So this time around I think I overdid it. I got a lot of clothes from that market, and I was like, why don't I show you guys? Like, why don't I show you guys in the market you get things at affordable rates? And yeah, everything I got into this video is under 350 rupees. Everything is under 350 rupees. Can you imagine? And when we go to mall, we spend up to 2,000, 5,000 for one dress. So please keep watching and see the things that I got. And yeah, let's get into this video without further delay. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do that, and yeah, let's go. So the first thing I'm excited to show you guys today is this blouse here, and look at it here. It's so good. Like, it looks so good. Look at it. The second one here, I got both of them at the same place. It's a v-neck blouse. It's also a crop blouse. And the next one is this top. This top is an off-shoulder top, and like you have to like take the shoulders out like this. So see. Okay, this one is a chiffon shirt. So this is a chiffon shirt, and yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's spotted black and it's white, and it's really pretty, and I love that it's somewhat transparent. So yeah, it's a good one for me. The next one is this shirt. I really love this shirt. Okay, so look at how this shirt looks like, and it's a long sleeve as well, but it is very lightweight. I got this shirt for 75 rupees. Yeah. So the next thing I got is this denim jacket. Okay, this denim jacket. I got this one for maybe 250. So the next thing is okay, the next thing is this one. This is a turtleneck. Look, it's a turtleneck top. I love the neck, although the neck gives me a lot of trouble wearing it and removing it. So look at what it looks like. So the next one is this cream color turtleneck top, and this is like a 3/4 hand. This is not a long, and it's very warm. It's pretty nice, and I got this one for 100 rupees, guys. So the next one is this denim trouser, and I have not had this color before. Like, I never had this color before. Like before never had this color, and it's so beautiful. I love it. And this is high-waisted with one button. That's like 200 rupees. So, and then this one, I think that one and this one here are like my favorite. Like this one is so alive. Like see the color, guys, it is so alive, so alive. The next one on my list is this one here. This is a coat, a winter coat, and of course this place I am is cold. Like it is cold. So this is a winter coat and I love it, guys. So this one was 350. Yeah, this coat was 350. Okay, the next one is this this is like denim and like velvet denim, and it's a dress. It's a short dress. I love it. I love this one. This one is like one of my favorite purchase. Yeah, so look at, I love this one. It's so beautiful. I love the colors and everything. It suits my skin tone. So yeah, this one was 150. This one was 150. Okay, and another next thing is a yellow jacket. Yellow jacket. This is it. All the jean jackets are 350 downwards. So from 350, 250, 300, I bargain with them. So it's all about bargaining when it comes to this denim jackets. It's all about bargaining. So the next jean jacket, this one, I got it for 250. Okay, my friend, I actually told my friend to buy it, and she was like, no, it's too big. And I was like, it's fine, I love it. It's like oversized denim jacket. So I was like, okay, I'm going to buy 250. The guy was like, no, that he's going to sell 300. I'm like, I will buy it only 250. If you're selling, fine. If you're not selling, I'll leave it. One is this one. Okay, this skirt is from H&M, guys. This one is from H&M, guys. But it's in Sarojini. H&M that's available in Sarojini. So if you want some H&M, Zara, you know, all of those stuff, you know where to get it. Sarojini Nagar market. Don't say I didn't hook you up on this. So the next thing I got is this denim dress. Yeah, this is a jean dress. So it's so beautiful. It's short, and yeah, if you want to wear it as dress, you can wear it as a dress. If you want to wear it as with a trouser, with legging, whatever, just, it's so beautiful, guys. And I think this one was 350. For real, this was 350. So the next one is this yellow sweater, this cute yellow sweater. It's so pretty, guys, and you can style this one with cycling shirts, with legging, with denim trouser, anything, guys. Like, it's super cute. Look at it. Moving on to the next thing. Okay, the next thing I got is this trouser. This trouser has a lot of history, guys, and I wanted to get something this color. I wanted to get this kind of something that has this color, because I don't think I have white or ash, light ash. So this one was 200 as well, and yeah. So the next thing is this overall denims, guys. This is so cute. Like, I love the color and it's pretty. I have this overall in skirt, like a small shirt skirt, the skirt one, and that one I haven't been able to wear it. So when I saw this one, I just grabbed it because I could always wear this one anywhere, anytime. And this was 150, guys. I got this one for 150. It's so pretty. Okay, so the next thing I bought is this one, this panties. This pant is beautiful, guys. I love it. So I love the ends, like, I love it. And this one was 150. I got this one for 150, guys, and it's like, it's super nice, and everything is good. Everything is in shape. Like the quality is still good. Like, nothing is wrong with it. So before you buy something from the market, please make sure to check everything, especially around this end of maybe the trouser or anything, because some of them gets damaged. And also check the zip, to make sure that the zip is working. Yeah, and this one, the zip is working fine and the buttons are working fine, and yeah, the fitting is perfect. So next thing I got is let's see, this one is mad. This one is mad, guys. Like, I love the zipper. So it's a pant trouser and I love the zipper. It's also, I bought this one and this one in the same shop. So I love the zipper and I love the whole thing. Like, it's also a wide leg. So the leg is a wide leg pant. So next thing I got is also another denim. Yeah, another denim trouser, and this one is ripped around the knee area. I got this one for 200 rupees as well. And another thing I got, this one I love is this coat. It's a winter coat as well, and this one is so beautiful, guys. And it has a hood. Who doesn't like a hood? And yeah, I love this one. I love this one. And the next thing I got is this one. This one is a top. It's not like turtle top. It's like just normal turtleneck top. It's not like very turtled, but yeah, it's nice, and it has this pearls and some silver stuff on it, and I love it. So yeah, it's a long sleeve. So the next thing I got is this V-neck yellow top, and I got this one for 100 rupees. It's so pretty. The yellow is so nice. And okay, so the thing here about this whole place, the market, is that even if you want to go to that market, you may not get exactly the same thing that I have gotten from the market. So that's how it is. It's like rotating every time. So this short dress I'm wearing, I also got this for this video. I also got it in other markets. Look at it. You guys can see how good this one is. And yeah, I decided to like roll the turtleneck. It's very turtled. Like, if you want it like this, you are good. If you want, I don't want it to like touch the foundation, so I decided to make it this one. And yeah, I love it. So coming up next is this one, this cream denim jacket. It's so pretty, guys, and I got this one for like, I think it was 350, and yeah, that's it. No way. Okay, this one is my favorite. Like, this is my favorite, guys. I love this dress, and I got this dress at the place where I got one. I got this dress and this dress together. I got this one, and one black sequence jacket. I got 3 of them at one place. So like, I went there and I was like looking at the whole thing. This dress and this dress, they were inside his bag, like one of the things that he didn't bring out. So I was like, "Is this your bag?" He said yes. I'm like, okay. And I put my hand inside. I was not bringing it out. I saw this dress, and I saw this one. I also saw one nice burnt orange turtleneck, and I told my friend to buy that one because she wanted a turtleneck, and yeah, so she got it. And this dress is, I like that it is so, it's like very long, like it can cross my knee, and I love that. I got this one, this chiffon top. I got this chiffon top at 75 rupees. This chiffon top and the blue shirt that's very light, I bought them at the same place, and guess what, guys? It's 75 rupees, and yeah, So if you wish to go to this market and purchase something, please do that. Save up and then go to the market. And I would advise, if you want to get anything, trouser, pants, make sure to try them on. Okay, buy things that you can try it on inside the market. I usually wear like a legging when I'm going to the market, so I can wear whatever I'm buying, because most of the, especially the trousers, denim jeans, if you see them like 200 in that place, once you get it, they'll be like, what is your size? You can say, okay, I'm 34, I'm 30. They just measure it for you, and you know, they put it in hanger, so the waist is already stretched. So once you get home and wear it, you will see that you will not be able to wear it because everywhere is tight. So you don't want that. And so that's true. And before you buy anything, make sure you try it out. Like the jackets, you can try them out, but the dresses, you can try it out. And yeah, some tops, there's some tops, this kind of top, you can try it out obviously. So you just like look at it, okay, this is, I think it will enter me because this one is stretchable, yeah, okay, fine. But then the denims, the pants, the jackets, make sure to try them on and make sure to check them out to see if there's any damage, if there's any stain. If there is stain and you still like it, buy it. Tell them that there is stain and you like it, so you like bargain the price based on the stain and they'll give you a discount. So it's so that market is about the bargaining, and then there are some of them that has fixed price. So those ones that have fixed price is like 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 150. Those ones you cannot bargain them. Even if you want to bargain it, they'll just tell you not to disturb them because it's a government fixed price, so you can't bargain them. So that's the truth. So like, yeah, that's it. That's guys, I hope you enjoyed this haul and I hope you like the things that I got for myself. And yeah, if you love this video, please give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, make sure to turn that notification on so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you on my next one. Bye.